amores. Oh, y'all like that? Oh, she bilingual. Anywho, hey my loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. For those of you who do not know, my name is Apollonia. Yes, I do go by Purple Rain 413 here on YouTube. My Instagram name is Trini Vixen 1127. Okay, and thank you guys for joining in on this video. If you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe. And if you are just one of my oldies but goodies, welcome back fam. Anywho, I wanted to come on here and do a video just letting you guys know how to be a hustler in nursing. Okay, whenever y'all see these scrubs, just know it's going to be a nursing video. I think I'm gonna start calling it like Talky Things Tuesday. Hey, I come up with something new. I'm going to be telling you guys what you guys can do to increase your income or get the maximum money out of nursing. I'm just trying to help y'all make these coins. All right, first thing, you want to make sure as a nurse that you are using everything within your fingertips that they're trying to give you for free. And I say that to say, in one of my videos, you guys asked me, oh my God, how did you get, was it NIH certified? It was one of my certifications. I can't remember. And they were asking me, like, how did I get my certification? You make the company pay. You make them pay. Okay? My hospital, they pay for all of our certificates. And I am NIH certified, which is a certification that you need to be working with stroke patients. So I am NIH certified. I already came in with an EKG certification and an IV certification and a wound care certification. Now my job don't really utilize those certifications, but let's say for instance if I wanted to do home care, I will get more money based on all these certifications that I do have because it's just an added bonus. Okay, so some of these hospitals will tell you, like if they pay for you to get your BSN or your MSN or whatever you want to be doing within your life, if they pay for it, they require you to give them a certain amount of time. So what I do is that I just prefer to pay for myself out of pocket, but I'm willing to get any certifications that I can for free with no obligations. Now I'm going to be studying for my CCRN, which is a certification for critical nurses. I'm going to be studying for that because as soon as I'm eligible for them to pay, I want to make sure that I am well prepared to take that test because this is just another added certification underneath my belt. Always make sure you utilize everything that's free within your fingertips. If you guys do want me to go deeper in depth, like how I did my BSN and I only spent like what, $3,000 something for my BSN and I finished in 10 months, like let me know. Like I'll go ahead and I'll do a video for you guys. Let me know in the comment section below and I'll tell you how I utilize everything at my fingertips to cut down the cost of my BSN, and I was able to graduate with, I owe nobody. I don't owe the school, I don't owe Sallie Mae, I don't owe nobody. I paid my little $3,000 out of pocket after I was able to finagle and use things at my fingertips. Another side hustle you can do is YouTube. You can make YouTube videos explaining certain things. For instance, if you want to show people how you got into nursing school, or you want to make a vlog, or you want to do days in the life, this is a disclaimer. Y'all will never see me doing a day in the life of a nurse, or you will never see me making a video of a night shift ICU nurse. It's not going to happen, and the reasons are: one, I always want to make sure that I'm following company policy, especially like recording, and you don't want to get too wrapped up in that whole HIPAA stuff. Like I don't got time, okay? I just want to make my money. I don't got time for all the nonsense, so I would prefer not to do videos like that. Also, I'm one of those night shifters, like you can see right now. Look at this. Look, like, you know how you be seeing some of those videos and they be dolled up, looking cute. They got time to get their Starbucks, and that ain't me. Okay, I can show you guys how I get ready for work because it's gonna be like a 2-2s kind of thing. Okay, a 5-minute kind of video because I keep it sweet, simple, straight to the point. I don't got time for the other jazz. All right, so I won't be doing those kind of videos, but you can do videos right here on YouTube teaching people how you do certain things. I don't be teaching people bad habits, but you can use the knowledge that you have to help educate people who are interested in being a nurse, or you can speak about your specific specialty or whatever you may have, whatever. You can still make money on YouTube platform. You can also make money on Instagram. Now, I've never made money off of Facebook, so I can't really give you like the whole rundown of how you can make money on Facebook, but you can use Instagram. For instance, I have these scrubs. Let's say I bought these scrubs from X, Y, and Z. I'm going to take my picture of my scrubs, take a picture, and then I'm going to add the company. Okay, so you want the company to see. Then you can put some hashtags, so it will make your picture more available. And you have to make sure that your page is open. You can't have a private page. So if you prefer to have a private page, that is perfectly fine, but just do a separate page for like your nursing pictures and your nursing videos, so people can find you and you are easily accessible. Now, people always ask me, girl, where you work at now because you got a new job? But the gag is, I always keep a backup plan, because I'm a natural born hustler. Like, I'm from Brooklyn, I'm from Flatbush. Like, we don't even play that. Facts. But anywho, we don't even play that, okay? So I've always been a hustler. So yes, I have my main 9 to 5, but it's 12-hour shifts. But then I also have an agency. Well, I got more than one agency. Like, I got about 5 agencies I'm signed up with right now. And then I also have a PRN gig at a nursing home. Just in case, you know, I might act a fool at work and they like, girl, you got to go, bye-bye, you are fired. I could be like, deuces, I got 5 other jobs. I don't even care. But that's the beauty about being a nurse, because you are very flexible. Your degree is flexible. I can go to Iowa and work if I wanted to, just got to get an Iowa license. I can go down to Puerto Rico and work. I can go anywhere I want to work because of the career path that I chose. So now guys, this next tip is not so much of a side hustle, but this is something that you can do within your own place of employment. Now, I don't know if you guys know, but night shift do get more money. Working weekends, you do increase your paycheck, and doing a charge position or a preceptor position will give you an added bonus. Let's just say, hypothetically speaking, I was making $30 as an RN. And I decide I want to work night shift, which I already do work night shift. But let's say I want to work night shift, I will get, let's say, $5 differential, so I get paid $35. And if I decide to work on the weekends, which weekends are sometimes considered Friday, Saturday, Sunday, I will get my base pay of $30 plus $7, which is $37. Now let's just say I'm a preceptor and I work night shift and I do weekends. I'm going to get that $37 plus $1.50 extra to be a preceptor. Now, I want you guys to keep this in mind. Do not become a preceptor or a charge nurse because you feel like you're going to make more money, because those two jobs are just stressful as heck. I'm going to tell you that because I've been in the charge position. I am a preceptor, and it's extremely stressful, because not only are you trying to teach this new nurse, they don't have to be a new nurse, but they could be a transfer from another unit and you're just teaching them how your unit operates and certain things, X, Y, and Z. It can be extremely stressful because you have work to do on your end. You got to make sure that the documentation is up to par. You got to make sure they can do your proper assessment, blah, blah, blah. So it's still a lot of work. So please keep this in mind. Do not do these things because you're trying to maximize your income solely. Do these things because you want to help teach a new nurse, or you want to help teach new nurses coming onto your unit, or you want to be in that leadership role, because there's tons of different leadership roles. I'm not exactly sure how much each leadership role pays, but I can just speak on precepting and charge because those are two positions that I have done. Another thing that you can do within your hospital is get critical care experience. Now, I can't speak for all hospitals, but most hospitals do pay nurses that either work in CVICU, ICU, trauma ICU, neuro ICU. They sometimes get critical care pay. You are going to get your critical care pay and you're going to learn more skills. The solid skills that you learned from when you were on the unit, you will learn 10 times more than that once you get to ICU. But yeah, that's another way that you can maximize your income. I just gave you guys 5 tips to maximize your income. I hope this video was extremely helpful. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Stay blessed, stay prayed up, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, my loves.